Hello friends! If you are looking for the best new Oris watches for men, you are in the right place. All the watches product buying link are given in the video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon for my new videos notification. Number 9. Oris Aquis Date Men's 43mm Analog. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Push button deployment clasp. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 43.5 millimeters. Case thickness, 13 millimeters. Band material, rubber. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 24 millimeters. Band color, blue. Dial color, blue. Bezel material, ceramic. Bezel function, unidirectional. Calendar, date. Special features, luminous, screw-down crown. Movement, Swiss automatic. Water-resistant depth, 984 feet. Number 8. Oris Aquis Small Second Date Blue Dial 45.5 millimeter Stainless Steel Men's Watch. Luminescent hands and hour markers. Screw-down crown and case pack. Stainless steel deployment buckle. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Deployment clasp. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 45.5 millimeters. Case thickness, 16 millimeters. Band material, stainless steel. Band width, 18 millimeters. Band color, black. Dial color, blue. Calendar, date. Special features, screw-down crown. Small seconds. Movement, mechanical, automatic. Water-resistant depth, 50 meters. Number 7. Oris Big Crown Bronze Pointer Date 01-754-7749-3167-07-51766BR. A beautiful watch exactly as promised. It works perfectly and I look forward to years of enjoying this fine Swiss timepiece. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, sapphire crystal. Display type, analog. Case diameter, 36 millimeters. Case thickness, 12 millimeters. Band material, leather. Band width, 20 millimeters. Band color, brown. Dial color, green. Calendar, date. Item weight, 7.05 ounces. Movement, automatic. Water-resistant depth, 50 meters. Number 6. Oris Divers 65 Chronograph 43mm Men's Watch. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Buckle clasp. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 43 millimeters. Case thickness, 17 millimeters. Band material, leather. Band width, 21 millimeters. Band color, brown. Dial color, black. Bezel material, black DLC with bronze outer ring. Bezel function, unidirectional. Special features, date, chronograph, water-resistant, luminous. Movement, Swiss automatic. Water pressure resistance, 10 bar. Water-resistant depth, 100 meters. Number 5. Oris Divers Mechanical 01-733-7707-4337. Display type, analog. Case diameter, 40 millimeters. Band material, stainless steel. Calendar, month. Movement, mechanical. Excellent timepiece. Wow, what a great piece. Worth every penny. Love this mechanical hand-wound piece. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. The watch itself is fantastic. Gorgeous dial. Number 4. Oris Carl Brashear Calibre 401 Watch 01-401-7764-3185. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Buckle clasp. Case material, bronze. Case diameter, 40 millimeters. Band material, fabric. Band color, blue. Dial color, blue. Bezel material, bronze. Special features, special luxury wooden presentation box. Certificate, limited to 2,000 pieces. Bronze screw-down crown. Movement caliber 401, automatic self-wind. Water-resistant depth, 200 meters. Number 3. Oris, the Big Crown Pointer Date Caliber 01 403 7776 4065-07 51911. Fixed bezel. Bracelet strap, leather. Case material, steel. Case width, 38 millimeters. Dial color, blue. Gender, men's. Movement, automatic. Water resistant, 50 meters. Movement, automatic. Power reserve, 120 hours. Number of jewels, 24. Case diameter, 38 millimeters. Water resistance, 5 ATM. Blue dial. Bracelet material. Calf skin. Bracelet color, black. Buckle clasp. Polished and brushed stainless steel. Polished hands. The hour and minute hands with luminous fill. Luminous painted numeral and triangular index hour markers. Printed minute and seconds tracks. Small seconds subdial at 6 o'clock. Date printed on the dial perimeter and indicated via the red arrowhead central hand. Oris in-house caliber 403 beats at 28,800 VPH. The movement is highly anti-magnetic and is fitted with a silicone escape wheel and anchor. Number 2. Oris, the Holstein edition 01 403 776 4083-set. Case, Big Crown, stainless steel. Movement, automatic winding pointer date. Small second developed by Oris. Dial, gray. Strap bracelet, leather. Case, 38 millimeter. Stainless steel, polished and brushed, flat bezel, screw down crown and case bag. 50 meter water resistance. Dial, gray. Indices, numbers, and hands printed with super luminova. Peripheral date ring with central pointer date hand with red tip. Small seconds at 6 o'clock. Movement, Oris caliber 403 automatic. Twin barrels for 120-hour power reserve. Highly anti-magnetic. Accuracy rating of -3 + 5 seconds per day. 10-year warranty. Central hours, minutes, date, small second hands at 6 o'clock. Number 1. Oris Aquis Date Relief Gray Dial. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Buckle clasp. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 43.5 millimeters. Band material, rubber. Band color, red. Dial color, gray. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, rotating. Calendar, date. Special features, stainless steel screw-in security crown. Movement, Swiss automatic. Water resistant depth, 300 meters.